Hi, I'm Debbie Telfer, one of the crochet teachers here at Longmont Yarn Shop. I want to show you a really great technique for doing a foundation single crochet. What this does makes a neat edge if you're making a garment so you don't have to go back later. It makes it a little bit stretchier, and if you've had the problem of doing your chains, which aren't real neat, and then doing your next row, which tends to be looser, you'll find that that bottom is always tight. This will solve that problem. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll make a slip knot first. Grab this off my finger. I'm doing the newer technique for doing slip knot because it's quicker. And what we're going to do now is chain 2, 1, 2. Now take a look and you see V's here. You want to insert your hook under the first and second leg of this V. So you don't want to chain too tight to get this going. And then you're going to, let me make sure I get that. I know I can do that. And I probably chained too tight, but that's okay. This is to show you not to do that. And you're going to pull it through. That's called the linking part of this foundation. Then you always, after you link, you always have to chain 1, and then you would finish like you normally would with a single crochet. What I'm creating now is both the chain that a foundation would have and the first row single crochet. It's quicker, it's neater. So let's take a look. Here is my next V right there. Do you see that? And we're going to insert our hook underneath. Do the linking stitch, which I just did. Move my finger and thumb over. Going to do the chain, always important to remember. And now I'll finish my single crochet. Tilt it. You see the next V here. You're going to do the linking stitch. Make sure you chain, and then you do the next. Let me do 2 more, just a little faster so you can see it. You're going to do the linking, the chain, and then you'll finish 1 more, and I'll show you what it looks like. Much neater than doing your normal chain and single. You can see now on both sides I have V's, where the chain you usually don't, and I can stretch it. So it's going to make a nice even one. If you're ready to do your next row, all you do, like you would at the end of any first row or second, is you chain 1, and now you're ready to go with your normal single crochet in the next row. So do you see how you've got 2 rows quickly because you did both the first row and the foundation all in the same shot? And let me show you how neat this looks now. Do you see that? That's a lot neater than if you had done a chain here and did your first single crochet and then your next. It keeps it all even. Again, stretchy. It's great for borders. And that's it. See you again soon.